Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to adjust the indents and the tabs in Microsoft Word. What is indents and how it works? Let's see. Here is a paragraph, and if you want some space in first line paragraph, here is an indent, and it's a first line indents, and it's a hanging indents, it's a left indent, and it's a right indent. There are four types of indents, and if you want some space here, and just move left first line indent, here is a and move it to here, and it will display some space. And if you want to move right indent to the left, and it will display some space here on the right side. And if you move it left indent to the right, and first line indent to the left, and it will display this paragraph, and it looks like a very beautiful paragraph and beautiful quotes. You can write a quotes here if you move it here. And here is a tab. Just I click here, and I want left tab here and click here, and it's the center tab, and just click here, and you can it has a center tab. And if you have a right tab, and just click here, it's a right tab. And if you press tab key, you can type here computer, it will type on the left. And if you press tab key, and then you type computer, it will type on the center of this tab. And if you press tab on the right tab, you will see if I type number, it will type on the right side of the tab. And you can use these tab and indent to make your work easy. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.